Hey y'all, I am Bakari and I am back with another video. If you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Okay, I'm going to use my Sephora Pro palette and I'm going to take the color Crisp and I'm going to put that right in my crease and blend it out. Now I'm going to go into my Masquerade Mini palette by Juvia's Place and I'm going to take the color Dahlia and I'm going to put that right in the crease as well and just give it a more vibrant color. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease. First I put the concealer down and then I just look up. That's how I know where to cut it, and that's how I do it. In the same palette, I'm going to go into the color Zola and I'm going to put that right on my lid and pack it on. Going back to the Sephora Pro palette, I'm going to take the color Ice and put that right on top of my lid as well. In the same Sephora Pro palette, I'm going to take the color Ildy and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then I'm also going to put it in the crease to cut it. Now I'm going to take the color Dina and I'm going to put that right on the lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in silver and I'm just going to put that right in my crease just to give it a little dazzle. Going back to the Sephora Pro palette, I'm going to take the color Moonstone and I'm just going to put that right in my inner corner and on my brow bone and give it a highlight. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild H2O Proof liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to create a cat eye with that. Last, I'm going to finish the look off with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and pop on some eyelashes, and that is the end of the tutorial. Hope you like it.